Welcome back to Cooking by the Book. My name is Katie, and today we are taking a look at Lemon Curd Killer. This is book 25 in Laura Child's Tea Shop Mystery series. And in it we find her sleuth, Theodosia Browning, hosting a fancy lemon tea party to kick off Charleston's Fashion Week. But things take a turn when suddenly a fashion designer is found dead. Now Theodosia must race to find a killer and also keep Fashion Week going smoothly. Today we're making her killer lemon cream scones. Let's get started. For killer lemon cream scones, we will need 2 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon peel grated finely, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 3 tablespoons of water. To make the scones, we'll start by mixing our flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and lemon peel until well combined. And then we're going to stir in our cream and our water using a fork. We're just going to mix this until it becomes a ball of dough. Okay, once your dough has formed a ball, we're going to put that on a lightly floured surface and knead 4 or 5 times. We're going to transfer that to a baking sheet that's been lined. And we're going to form roughly an 8-inch circle with our dough. We're going to use a knife and we are going to score the dough, cutting about halfway through to make 8 wedges. And now we're ready to place this in a 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Once the scones are out of the oven, we can go ahead and cut them the rest of the way into 8 equal wedges. Feel free to serve your lemon cream scones with either Devonshire cream or lemon curd. We hope you enjoyed today's episode of Cooking by the Book. We'll see you next time.